A few years ago, I was teaching college essay writing, and one of my students said, "Brother Hamzah, you always say show, don't tell. But you always tell us how to write these application essays. You don't actually show us." So they challenged me to write an application essay of my own. So I sat down that morning after Fajr, and I wrote a college essay of my own for the first time in like 25 years. When I got to it at the end, for some reason I had this idea, this was actually really fun. I enjoyed this. It was hard, but it was meaningful. And so I challenged myself to write 30 college essays in 30 days. So I have some copies of this here, and they're all available on my website. The point is, I was able to come up with 30 essays, and I realized there are 365 essays. There are infinite college essays. They're all around us, right? But we need to get used to this kind of writing. We need to get used to writing about ourselves and writing about what we observe and so on. And if we wait until the last second to understand what this is all about, right, then we're going to miss out on big opportunity. So these questions that you get asked are questions that help you clarify who you are. Or one of the most common questions is, "My child doesn't know what they want to do with their life. Please help." That's like one of the big pain points that people come to me, right? One question which can help you figure out how to start answering this question is this, which is actually a supplement from Boston College. If you had the opportunity to create your own college course, what enduring question or contemporary problem would you address and why? I want to give you guys a chance to do some brainstorm. Pretend you're writing a college essay of your own. If you had the opportunity to create your own college course, you could teach anything and you'd be helping people. What question or problem would you teach about? What is that thing which you're obsessed with that's specific to you, where you are really interested in it? If you can figure out the answer to this question, you've gone a long way to figuring out the things that you're really passionate about. And this requires some creativity and so on.